Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cams that are ready to hit the road and capture all the action. On the left, we have the ROVE R2-4K PRO dash cam, and on the right, we have the UHD Dash Camera. Buckle up because this comparison is about to take off. Let's start with the most important feature of a dash cam, the video quality. The ROVE R2-4K PRO dash cam boasts 4K UHD recording at 2160p and 30 frames per second. That means you'll get crystal clear footage with every detail captured. Next up, let's talk about connectivity. The ROVE R2-4K PRO dash cam allows you to pair your smartphones with its advanced 5G and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. With the ROVE Dash Cam app, you can easily view, download, and share your best videos with just one click. It's like having your own personal social media studio on wheels. Now let's navigate our way to the GPS functionality. The ROVE R2-4K PRO dash cam comes with built-in GPS, allowing you to view real-time speed and location on the LCD. It's like having a personal tour guide right on your dashboard. Now let's shift gears and talk about parking mode. The ROVE R2-4K PRO dash cam offers 3 custom-designed options for its 24-hour parking mode. It can capture time-lapse videos, detect motion, and even detect collisions. Talk about a trusty parking companion. The ROVE R2-4K PRO dash cam is praised for its ease of use, clear instructions, and thoughtful design. It offers exceptional quality, features, and performance. The connectivity options and GPS functionality are highly appreciated. The parking mode provides various options for added protection. Overall, reviewers highly recommend the ROVE R2-4K PRO dash cam. And that's a wrap on our comparison between the ROVE R2-4K PRO dash cam and the UHD Dash Camera. Both cameras offer impressive features, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs and budget. Remember, always buy smart. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, drive safe and stay smart.